Hello, COMM 450 students. Happy Monday morning. This is Sister Higgins. I hope that everyone is excited for this next section of our course this semester. We will now begin the negotiation portion of this course, and I love the concepts that we will be discussing. But first, I want to just say congratulations on getting through the midterm. I know how difficult of a test it is. And it's hard. I did not write the test, and so I've taken the test myself in Proctorio so that I could see what it was like to take it, and I know how difficult the test is. So I'm so proud of all of you for taking the test. And please refer to the announcements for the written information on the grading of the midterm. So we will begin with our Getting to Yes book this week. So if you do not have it yet, please make sure you get it as soon as possible. And there's an online version as well as the hardback. I have both, and I do like the online version because you can search the keywords and it will take you right to the page, so it's easy to be able to retain information as you're doing your assignments and studying for the final exam. So just to go over, these are your outcomes and competencies as well as the activities that are listed in Canvas. So please take note that you will not have a capture until towards the end of the semester. Now you'll have guiding questions because you're in a different type of textbook. So please make sure that you recognize that instead of a capture, it's guiding questions that you'll be answering. Please just refer to these outcomes and competencies. It really helps to be able to understand what you should be learning in the course. All right, so this week you guys will be doing actual negotiations with partners. So I've listed the partnerships on the announcement page. And I also listed it last week as well. So please be sure that you're filling in the interests document and that you post the link to your negotiation on the discussion board. So make sure that you do that, or at least a transcript of it. I need to be able to see that you successfully completed the negotiation. And so make sure if you have any questions or anything, please feel free to reach out to me on that. So one of the key concepts that we'll be discussing is that we need to learn to separate people from the problem. And this goes back to our Leadership and Self-Deception book, where we learned about starting to think outside the box and stop seeing people as objects. So we will come up with better and more creative solutions if we can remember the key component of separating the people from the problem, separating those emotions and those feelings about people, and really focus on the problem itself. And so this is one of the key concepts that we'll be learning about this week. So you'll also be learning about how to be able to determine if a negotiation was effective. So there's three key elements. One, identifying the wise agreement. Two, was it efficient? And three, was it amicable? Or was the relationship undamaged by the negotiation? So this is really how we can tell if we were successful or if the negotiation was effective. So please just be looking at this as you're going through the material this week.